Hey y'all, I'm Reba. It is time for summer entertaining, and today I'm going to show you how to make a peachy bourbon iced tea that you can make one drink at a time or in a whole big batch. Let's get drinking. For this recipe, you're going to need 4 ounces of iced tea. I did 2 ounces of sweet tea and 2 ounces of unsweet tea. 1 ounce of peach schnapps and 2 ounces of bourbon. I suggest a bourbon that's not too sweet. I like Bullet for a lot of my mixing cocktails. Whoops. Stir and pour over ice. Again, you can make this recipe in a really big batch. That is delicious. Cheers, y'all.